Hurricane Ida has taken a toll on all of us, whether you lost power, your home, all kinds of things. I mean, everybody is affected in this some way or another. And that affects a person's mental health. Joining us now is Dr. Reggie Ferreira from Tulane University to talk about the resources for people who may be struggling. And Dr. Ferreira, a lot of people may not even know they're struggling because you may feel that stress, you feel down. You kind of like, and I do remember this after Katrina, people walked around with that kind of like zombie look. And I'm seeing that now in people from Ida.
Morning, Eric. Thank you for the opportunity. Yes, I think for several folks, it's still autopilot mode at this stage. I think the most important thing is just to be kind to yourself at this stage.
And there is a difference in people who lost power and someone who had his or her roof blown off her home, or you go down to some of the other lower parishes where they were just totally wiped out. I mean, there's going to be a difference in the stress you're suffering from.
Definitely, if you just lost power, I mean, it does have an impact on you, and that will get back. But if you lost your belongings, if you lost, your house, it does play an impact on your overall functioning. You lose a sense of community as well. So there are different symptoms that you could experience, but overall stress does play a big role.
Yeah, and when you lose everything or even a lot of damage, I mean, it's a life-changing experience. And for like Terrebonne Parish and Lafourche Parish, St. John, some other parishes like that, this was their Katrina. We here on the city side, got a lot of damage, but not anything near what they got.
Yes, definitely. I mean, the outer-lying parishes outside of the metro area definitely got a bigger impact, So there's going to be long-term recovery, but the most important is really to tap into your resources. Now is time to tap into those support networks, family, friends, and colleagues. There's also past experiences that you can tap into, where there's valuable lessons that you might have taken forward. And then very important, if it becomes too much and if there's anything available, seek help from mental health professionals, reach out to your faith-based community for support at this stage. And then there's also several hotlines available, like the Disaster Distress Helpline, the LA Office of Behavioral Health, Keep Calm line. There's also the National Suicide Prevention line and the Crisis Text line. And then also your website. I've been actually referring several folks to your updated website.
And quickly, I'm out of time because I'm up against a hard break again, but what are some of the signs you should be looking for to know that maybe you really are suffering with some kind of a mental illness right now?
Definitely, change in behavior, if you experience mood swings, if you become forgetful, anxiety, despair, you can even have guilt. But again, if you're starting to experience these things and if it keeps on happening, definitely reach out to a mental health professional.
All right, doctor. Thank you very much. We appreciate that.